I've got some important news for all of you Florida homeowners out there. If you've recently purchased a home, or maybe you've been living in one for a while, but you haven't filed your homestead exemption, I've got the great news for you today. It's easier now than ever to file, and you can do it online in just a few simple steps. Let's walk you through that today. Hey, it's Mark here with the Hiller Group, brokered by eXp Realty. My team and I have you covered here along the beautiful Florida Panhandle from Pensacola all the way through Panama City, where our team has been fortunate enough to serve over 1,350 families in the past 10 years alone. First things first, you're going to want to head over to your county's property appraiser website. This is where you can apply for your homestead exemption. Each county has its own site, but they're all pretty similar. Here in Okaloosa County, for example, you would go to okaloosa.pa.com. In Walton County, you would go to waltonpa.com. In Santa Rosa County, it's srcpa.gov. And in Bay County, it's baypa.net. Now, if that isn't confusing, I don't know what the hell is. You can easily find it by Googling whatever your county is and property appraiser. Now, why should you apply for your homestead exemption? Well, if you're living in the home as your primary residence, this exemption can significantly lower your property taxes. We're talking about saving hundreds, even thousands of dollars every year. So it's definitely worth the time and energy to get it filed. Another thing that it does for you is it only allows your taxable value of your property to go up the maximum of 3% a year. So, for example, if all the homes around you are all selling for hundreds of thousands of dollars more than yours, your taxes will not go up just based on those sales. If you have filed for your homestead, the max it can go up is 3% every year. Once you're on this website, search for your address in the property search bar. Once you're on that page for your property, look for the link to File Homestead Exemption. It's usually pretty prominent on that page. For example, on the Okaloosa page, scroll about halfway down and you'll see the Apply for Homestead Exemption button. Click that and it will take you to the page with the instructions for the application form. Now, don't worry about having to deal with tons of paperwork. Filing online is super straightforward. Most counties will only ask for a few key pieces of info, but one important thing that you must keep in mind, in order to apply for homestead exemption, your driver's license and vehicle registration must reflect your new Florida address. Once you're on the application page, you're simply going to fill in your personal information, answer any of the questions about your property, and upload any of the necessary required documents. Everything is pretty clear, and the website will guide you through step by step the process that you need to take. You can also track the status of your application right there on the website. It's that easy. And best of all, you don't need to go to any offices or wait in any lines. You can do it from the comfort of your own home. Just make sure that you file by March 1st of the year that you want to claim the exemption for. That's the deadline for most counties, so mark that on your calendar. If you need any help navigating the site or have any questions about homestead exemption and the process, feel free to reach out to me or my team. We're always happy to help and assist. And remember, we're here to make your homeownership journey as smooth as possible. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button down below, and we will see you on the next one.